Okay, this is after about 7 or 8 minutes of turning the water heater on gas. It's October 25th, Thursday, I believe, and it's alarming. And this is what we've run into before with this thing. The whole trailer is sealed up. I'm standing in here with the CO2 alarm, or the CO alarm going off. Notice it's in. The heater gas is on, and it's alarming. So I don't know if the alarm is faulty or it's truly. And I did this yesterday and it didn't alarm. Today it's raining, and this is what we've been putting up with. I think it heated up to its to be warm. I'm in here breathing this stuff. Oh, I can't smell it. Yeah, it's warm. The water's warm. So I'm going to turn the gas water heater off now. And I guess just open the coach. I'll put the awning out a little bit so I can open the door. Yeah, that's too much. I'll open up the bathroom vent. And we'll see how long it takes to air out. Not sure what time. I think it's about 11:20. I'm going to put the tape over the thing. Well, I just leave it. Anyway, that's the problem.